Hey, what's up everybody? Charlie Garner, Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate, Blue Realty. It is September 17th. It is Friday. Woohoo! I haven't seen some of y'all in a while, so I'm here. I wanted to give you a little market recap, just kind of what's gone on since post-virus, we'll just call it that, right? So 2020, we obviously know what happened, right? Had a little shutdown. The market kind of shut down for a little bit as well. I didn't work for like 4 weeks. We didn't know what to do. The streets were empty, right? Finally, people started kind of coming out of the cave, started realizing like, okay, like I think we're gonna be all right. It just started steamrolling and steamrolling and steamrolling. And next thing you know, everybody's buying a house. Interest rates drop, interest rates are super low, everybody's refinancing. So we get into summer last year and the market is crazy. And then when we're typically in the fall and the winter, when we see it kind of drop off here in Lubbock, it did not at all. It just kept steamrolling straight through. So here we are, 2021 now, right? 2021, we get into our January, February market, which is typically the start of our spring market, and there's nothing for sale. People are buying everything. We had more sold homes than we did listed homes. So now all of a sudden, at one point in 2021, I go by just what was for sale in Lubbock County, just as a base. We were around 250 homes for sale total in Lubbock County. That number's usually closer to 800, 900. So go through the summer, here we are, August hits, and we finally start to see it slow down just a little bit so inventory can kind of start creep back up, right? So August hits, here we are now in September, and our inventory in Lubbock County is sitting right around 650 homes. So we're still quite a bit less than what we're typically used to, but nowhere near. I mean, so I'm thinking we're still gonna be 2022 before we even start to see something regular, right? So ultimately, what does that mean for you? If you are a owner, you own your home, you have to be contingent. If you remember, I did a contingent video. Contingents whenever, in order to get a loan to buy a new house, you have to sell your house first. Well, during 2020 and in early part of 2021, you did not win an offer. There was 20, 30 offers on a house. If you brought a contingent offer, why would I do that whenever the next person can do a conventional loan, 20% down, whatever, right? So sellers, that contingent home, so where are we at from a value standpoint, right? Well, compared to last year, our average sales price is up 18%. 18% in Lubbock County. Unheard of. Our average, when I talk to people from out of town, out of state, and they're asking me about investing in a home, whether that be an investment or actually just buying a home and knowing how their money's gonna be, you know, in 5, 10, 15 years in that house. I typically will tell people, because the data shows it, expect a 2 to 4% appreciation rate. 18% from last year to this year. So now what you're seeing is, okay, now I have 6 months of comparables to look at of some very, I almost would call it overpriced, but they are comparable now. So maybe your neighbor across the street, whenever that house was only worth 180 last year, just sold for 215 this year. Well, guess what? That house may be a comparable for you now. So now you've got more money in that contingency to move over into your next house, or maybe you want to pocket some of that and go on a trip. I don't know. Totally up to you. So values are up for you. So not only are we seeing contingencies being accepted, but now you've got more money to bring over into that new house, which is pretty cool. As a buyer, if you were part of that, I was in the middle of the 20 offers. Well, now we're starting to see it be a little, okay, 5 offers now, 3 offers, right? So now's your time. As an investor, I'm showing 5 homes a day to an investor. That is becoming a thing again. It was really hard to find really good investment properties whenever there was only 250 homes for sale total in Lubbock County, right? Well, now we're starting to see some investments pop up. We're starting to see some of those homes in the 150 range maybe sit on the market for 7, 8, 9, 10 days compared to it's gone, there's 20 offers in 24 hours, right? So now's your time, investors. All right, so to put a bow on this, the one thing you need to know is inventory's coming back up. So sellers, the past year and a half, you've been scared to sell your home because you couldn't find a home to buy. inventory's coming back up for you. Buyers, if you were scared to put an offer because you didn't want to be one of 20, now's becoming your time. Investors, homes are up 18%. What? Now it's becoming your time. We're starting to see some of those homes sit a little bit longer because inventory is coming back up. So if you didn't hear anything else I said, know that inventory is coming back. We are coming back to some sense of normalcy in our market, which is awesome news really for everybody. So I hope this video was valuable. However you're watching, whatever platform you're on, give me a like, give me a subscribe, give me a forward, give me all the things, right? Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.